On a spiritual level, the Devil card refers to the lowest state human consciousness can stoop to: extreme materialism, to the point that any connection with the divine is cut off. It's the tyranny of the ego driven by animal instinct, represented by a beast. The pedestal shows us that the devil, aka the ego, believes that he's above all else, and chains those around him, treating them as inferior beings. The two prisoners are actually slaves to their own ego and lowly desires. If you look closer, you notice that their chains are actually loose, and they could easily get free, but they're too obsessed with material gratification to do so. Upright, the devil is about ambition and material success, which makes it a good omen for work and business. Climbing the ladder, defeating competitors, and getting ahead is seen through this card. It also promises financial gains, power, and status, but always at the cost of freedom. In relationships, this card is more about passion or sexual gratification than love. It's a sign of good sex drive and strong libido, so all depends on what type of lifestyle the person is leading. Good for meaningless one-night stands, not so much for committed relationships. It's also good for any type of transactional relationships, like getting with someone for their status, power, and money. But remember, it always comes at a price. The Devil card also talks about interest for the occult, especially for the purpose of getting ahead in life. It's the literal deal with the devil, where you will have a certain price to pay to have your wishes come true. In astrology, the devil is associated with Capricorn. Its timing is around December. In health, the devil upright indicates endurance and sturdy constitution, healthy bones, joints, and teeth. Fun fact: in French Tarot de Marseille, Le Diable, aka the devil, is actually associated with the sign of Scorpio instead of Capricorn, whereas other versions associate the Death card with Scorpio. Reversed, the Devil card is about tyranny and despotism. The person may be a slave to their own desires and instincts, or they're dealing with someone like that. They might have gotten their priorities all wrong in life, focusing too much on material gains and sacrificing their own soul in the process. It shows excessive greed and pride at the expense of others. It's also a warning to free yourself from your blind urges and nagging desires. Sometimes, it just means the person is repressing their desires out of fear of being judged, such as not admitting their kinks. In love, this card can show a codependent relationship that requires cutting cords. It can warn against jealousy, cruelty, or fights, possibly involving physical or verbal violence. Coupled people may be or feel enslaved in their current relationship that brings out the worst in them, in which case the key is to be willing to give up whatever keeps them in that relationship. It's no sacrifice if it's about your safety and happiness. Other times, it warns about betrayal and possibly cheating with paid professionals, as the devil usually means unbridled libido. Singles should be very careful who they meet, as they may fall into that type of situation, be victims of potential predators, or just narcissistic, egocentric, selfish people. At work or in business, the devil reversed warns against power-hungry bosses, partners, or competitors. It tells you that you're swimming with sharks and should act accordingly. No fair play here. It's a dog-eat-dog environment, and if you can't be as ruthless, you better get out of the game. It can mean the person feels enslaved at their job and must be willing to give up whatever keeps them there to get free. It can also be a warning against lack of integrity, immoral, unethical, or illegal practices. In any case, the good thing about the devil reversed is that even though the person is probably feeling powerless, there's still hope to break free and reclaim one's power. If they'll only detach from their own desires and materialistic ambitions. In health, the devil reversed warns against bones, joint, and teeth issues, or problematic sexual behaviors, possibly an addiction.